When it comes to inspecting your products, there's three different options you've got to ensure quality. One is the old school way. When this Mini was first created, you'd have found Bob with his clipboard. He'd have come along, he'd have checked various things. Have I got the right headlamp? Have I got the surround around the headlamp? Have I got the right badge? Is the badge straight? He'd have ticked off all of these checks, signed his life away at the bottom. The modern way would be to pass a car, for instance, through a tunnel full of a collection of machine vision cameras. Each of those will be inspecting different features on the car as it goes past. But the smart way is to take a machine vision camera and put it on the end of a robot. The robot can then move that camera around to do those multiple inspections. One camera, one robot, one light source. Here we've got the insanely affordable DoAll CR10A collaborative robot. Gives us a 1300mm reach so that we can reach quite far. We've got robots that go all the way up to 1800mm reach. So we can definitely get around your product. On the end of that, we've got Cognex's Insight 3800 camera. That's an AI-enabled camera, so it works great for picking up defects, scratches, classifying good, bad, etc. Now, the problem with moving your camera around and doing all of these different inspections is, as we know, lighting's the most important part, but they're all very different inspections. That's where the DoAll light from Smart Vision Lights comes in. What Smart Vision Lights have done is they've crammed 6 different lights into that one housing. We've got a dome light, we've got ring lights, we've got dark field lights, 2 different angular dark field lights. We can colour segment our ring light, we can turn segments on, turn segments off, we can colour mix, we can basically get every kind of lighting we might possibly need. We can then program that in as a sequence, makes it really easy to set up, really easy to use, and the payback is no time at all.